Are you tired of spending your hard-earned money on a product to tackle a weed problem only to find out that a few days later, the weeds are still there? Feeling frustrated, wondering if it was something that you did or did you just buy the wrong product? I've been there, and I know exactly how incredibly frustrating the whole process is. And my hope is that by the end of this video, you will understand why your weed killing efforts just aren't working and how to make sure that you don't waste any more time or money on weed control ever again. And I'm going to share with you a secret that you can use right now to help you solve one of the biggest challenges that you have when it comes to controlling weeds. And the best part is, it is completely free. There are 3 simple steps that I want you to follow every time you want to kill a weed. And if you follow them, you will eliminate your frustration forever. Now, yeah, I know that is a pretty big statement, but trust me, and you're going to see. Now, I personally follow these steps, and I wouldn't be sharing them with you if I didn't think they delivered you results. Your first step is to correctly identify the weed. Sounds simple, but this is by far the hardest part, because I have spent a lot of time guessing if the weed that I was dealing with actually matched any of the photos that I found online. Here's some great news. I found a free app that you can use that will help make identifying the weed super easy. Now, before I tell you what that app is, I want you to know this. Correctly identifying the target weed is important for one really obvious reason. The weed killer you select is only going to work if you know exactly what weed you're dealing with. Again, it sounds simple, but it's not always so easy. So give this a try. On your phone, download an app called Picture This Plant Identifier. Now, it is completely free, so don't be fooled by all the screens that say you need a subscription. Usually, there's a close or maybe a small X hiding somewhere on the screen. Once you get past that, you can simply use the app to snap a photo of the weed or just upload a picture, and it will tell you exactly what weed you're dealing with. Now, a tip here is to try multiple pictures because the app, it's not always perfect. And it has actually given me some wrong answers a few times, but for the most part, it works incredibly well and is very accurate. Now that you have identified the weed, turn to the label of the product that you're considering using and look for the section on the label where it says what weeds are controlled. And then search for the weed that you're specifically looking for. Now, if you don't see that weed listed, you're going to need to find another product. And after you've found the perfect product, you can then move on to step number 3. This is the part where most homeowners mess up. Because now that you have correctly identified the weed, you have the right product to control the weed, the last step is all up to you. Because messing up this part is going to really leave you feeling frustrated. See, weed killers work by the product being absorbed into the plant, then moving through the weed until it dies. So to ensure the best success before you ever apply any weed control, try not to mow for at least 2 or 3 days before treatment. It's really simple because if you mow the weed down, there's not enough plant tissue for the product to stick to. Next, coat the weed evenly with product. If you're spraying a liquid, this is pretty easy, but if you're using a granular, make sure to wet the grass first or just wait for dew to be on the lawn before applying. Number 3 is crucial. Once you apply, don't mow or water your lawn for the next 2 or 3 days, because mowing could actually remove the product from the plant before it has time to be completely absorbed and die. And that will lead to the weed coming back. Also, don't water your lawn. Watering could actually rinse the product off. So that means no rainfall either. So check the forecast and make sure you time this correctly. Now, I promise that your patience and your extra effort will pay off. That's it. It's really that simple. Identify the weed correctly, choose the right product, and apply it so that it works every time. And now you can sit back knowing that all of your hard work and money will pay off. And if you want to learn more about DIY lawn care, check out the next video. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.